Starting up this Honda CB750 K6 from 1976. The bike is in very good condition. The engine is completely rebuilt, and after the rebuilding 580 kilometers are made only. Chrome work is very good, bike is serviced and running real nice. It sounds like a Honda 754 should sound. Real nice. With the 4x4 exhaust. Color is beautiful. Also the clocks. See. Beautiful K6. Ready for a new owner. Going to make a lot of detailed pictures from the bike. You can see it in the best possible way. Very nice color. We can ship the bike worldwide. We can do it for interesting prices. And if you are interested, contact me. I'll get you a price, more information, detailed pictures, and if you have an address or a name of the harbor, we can make you an offer for delivery. Shipment. Very nice bike. And if you like our video, then please subscribe on the YouTube channel VintageMotorcycles.nl and follow us. Cool bike. Okay, hope to see you back again soon. Because we have a lot of bikes coming in and a lot of interesting videos will follow. Thank you again for watching. Bye bye.